Hi everybody, today I received a new Wi-Fi and Bluetooth controller for my Pit Boss Navigator 850. I couldn't wait to have it because it's so great to be able to control and monitor the temperature of your grill, but also of the meat probes. I can wait to show you how to install it and to run it on the app, okay? So the first thing to do is to unplug the grill. And then we will remove the two screws here on the side of the grill. Now we will need to remove the old control board, and for that you have to push on those small pins, okay, to release the control board from the body of the barbecue. Now we have to cut the binders here to release the cables with cutting pliers. And to replug all the cables to the new control board. I downloaded the Smoke It app, so now I will add a barbecue plus here. We already found the PBC. This is the device number, but we will just have to choose a name for our device. PB850. Next, model name PB850. Next, serial number, it's optional. Next, I will connect. If on the barbecue, it's connected. So now. So the application is working, okay. I have the actual temperature here of the barbecue. I have the set temperature, so here it's 148 Celsius degrees, okay. Here I have a timer. I can ask him to cook for 2 hours, for example, okay. Here I can switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius, okay. And here I can set the meat probe temperature. So if I want to cook it to 54 Celsius degrees for a medium rare beef steak, just 54, okay. And I will get an alarm as soon as the meat probe reach 54 Celsius degrees, okay. So if I want to see the actual temperature, I just click on Act, 35 degrees. And I can set the temperature here, my cooking temperature, okay, so it's set to 107, and here it's switched to 107. Alright, you have seen how cool this upgrade is for your Pit Boss Navigator. I hope you appreciate this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.